This is a segment on acne scar management. In this segment, we are referring to those depressed scars called hypotrophic scars. And hypotrophic scars come in different shapes. And management would depend on the type of scars. For raised scars such as keloid scars, you can refer to another clip on this. Some deep scars will require filling, and there are many types of fillers available. Management would somewhat depend also on the skill and equipment available. Treatments would include subcision, carbon dioxide laser, microneedling RF, microneedling, TCA application, and more. For a particular or specific type of scar, refer to other video clips.